I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Wix, follow these simple steps to get back on track. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by logging into your Wix account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your site's dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Wix site, including payment settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. In the dashboard, look for the settings menu on the left-hand side. Click on it and then select Payments. This section allows you to manage your payment methods. Step 4. Locate your card. Within the Payments section, find the card you want to unlock. If it's locked, there should be a notification or icon indicating its status. Click on it for more details. Step 5. Unlock the card. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the process, double check that your account is in good standing. Happy site building!